Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we on guys Infinix phone apps notification guys. You want notification guys, and friends you like, suppose guys you want guys your Chrome, Google, Gmail, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp guys, the photo notification guys you want, and friends your apps notification are not coming. So how can you on, and how can you use it? Today friends I will show you. Friend, first of all open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it, and friends click on guys your phone notification setting guys. So we will have to wait guys for 10 seconds. So friends, you can see guys your phone as notification will on, and guys which app guys you want notification. Example for guys you want to on guys your phone WhatsApp notification guys, so you can allow from here. After on guys your notification, this WhatsApp notification will on, and guys you can use like your YouTube notification guys, you can allow Chrome notification guys. I want, so guys I will tap here to allow. So like the guys, and get the shortcut guys you can on from here guys. This right side icon also guys, which app guys you want notification guys, you can on from here in your Infinix Phone device, and you can use it guys. So after on get this YouTube, WhatsApp, Chrome, and get the Gmail and Play Store notification guys will come. So guys you can check on your lock screen, and guys you can swipe, and guys you can check it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends understood how to on phone apps notification. So bye guys.